Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Today I'm going to go over the stock Micron, ticker symbol MU. Micron is a technology company that produces semiconductor devices including random access memory, flash memory, and solid state drives. Micron is reporting earnings this Wednesday, June 20th, so let's see how it will perform. The current price of Micron is $58.10. Market cap is $65.6 billion, PE ratio is 6.66, and forward P ratio is 5.38, which is really low considering the average is 25 and is unheard of, especially for a technology company. All right, let's take a look at the performance. Today was up 0.38%, past week down 6.02%, 1 month up 3.43%, 3 months down 3.33%, 1 year up 90.43%, and past 5 years up 320.71%. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. In terms of Q2 2018, Micron had strong execution across the board. It delivered record revenue, gross profit, EPS, and cash generation. It also had robust mobile growth driven by managed NAND and low-powered DDR4. It increased SSD market share, and total SSD sales grew 80% year over year. As demand increases for memory chips, Micron is addressing consumer needs, for example, in smartphones and other mobile devices, smart cars, and data centers. Now let's break down the revenue streams and see how they're performing. The computing and networking business unit, which is 50% of Micron's revenue, grew 93% year over year, which shows a strong demand. The mobile business unit, which is 21% of Micron's revenue, grew 45% year over year. And the storage business unit, which is 17% of Micron's revenue, grew 20% year over year because of increased SSD market share. So all this sounds good, but would I add Micron to my portfolio? I currently do not have any Micron shares in my portfolio and will not be adding any anytime soon because it is a very cyclical stock, as you can see in this graph. You see it goes up, and then end of 2014 it started dipping, and then 2016 it went back up. So as you can see again, it's very cyclical. When demand is good, the stock performs very well, but when demand decreases, the stock dips pretty hard, as you can see. Although Micron is a large cap company, which is what I like in my portfolio, it does not have any dividends. I prefer to hold dividend paying stocks because that means during the bad end of the cycle, I would have a passive income stream. With that said, I think Micron will still have a positive earnings report this Wednesday and beat expectations. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Micron? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.